Let us do question number 3 now. An exporter requests early delivery of a USD 1 lakh dollar forward sale contract booked at 65.4, which is due on December 31st. Let me draw a diagram to explain this to you, friends. Basically, this contract was entered on some date. The opening date is not given. Let us say that is October 1st. This question is there as illustration 4 in your study material, friends. Okay, so here I'll put October 1st. 1 minute. Yeah. October 1st, he is an exporter. So as an exporter, what will he do? Ideally, when he receives dollar, he will sell dollar, correct? So his action would be sell 1 lakh dollar forward sale contract at 65.4. So this was supposed to be executed on what date? This was supposed to be executed on December 31st. The spot rate is 65.22, 65.27. All right. Now what is happening is he wants this to be closed on November 28th. So tell me now, how will you close it on November 28th? I will have to cancel the contract. So first what I will do is I'll buy 1 month forward. So to buy 1 month forward, here, I think buy dollar means bank is selling dollar. It will be the ask rate now, correct? So when I'm buying 1 month forward, I will be buying at ask rate 65.27 plus 15, 65.42. I will be buying at 65.42. Then I will sell spot. Okay, so when I do this, this will also go to this date and these two contracts will get nullified. Then what I will do, I'll sell at the spot rate. So when I'm selling, the bank is buying, it will be the bid rate. So what is the bid rate that you have over there? 65.22. So the difference between these two is what they call it as a swap loss, friends. But then you're making a 20 paisa loss, that is a buy at 65, sell. So they're making a loss of 20,000 in this case. All right. Yeah. 20,000. This is the answer, friends. I hope you're clear with this part now. Thank you so much.